Today, I have a fresh and colorful salad that will get your taste buds dancing, and it can be enjoyed on the go. It's a combination of a spring salad mix, strawberries, goat cheese, sliced almonds, some asparagus with a sweet and tangy dressing, all mixed together in a mason jar. I'm making spring strawberry salad cups. Ingredient prep is so easy. You just need to thinly slice your asparagus and strawberries. For the vinaigrette, make sure you have white balsamic vinegar, minced shallots, honey, poppy seeds, olive oil, salt, and pepper. There's only 2 steps. The first one is to make the dressing in a medium bowl. You're going to whisk the vinegar, shallots, honey, poppy seeds, oil, salt, and pepper together. It makes about 1/3 cup, which may not seem like much, but you will not need a lot for the salad, especially because we're using the single jars. In the glass jars, layer the vinegar mixture first, then your cheese, strawberries, and then the asparagus. This is looking good already. Followed by the lettuce and lastly the almonds. Close the lid and you can refrigerate this up to a day. Then right before you serve, you're going to shake the jar really well to get everything mixed together and coated evenly. And there you have it, strawberry spring salad in no time. Since I've shown you how easy it is, you can always add or switch out ingredients with different fruits, vegetables, or vinegar mixtures to keep it fresh. And it's also a great way to incorporate new foods into your diet. This salad is delicious, healthy, and it's also just for you. With that being said, you enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.